Today on Around the Bend, we're inside of a South Bend staple that's been sweetening the neighborhood for generations. Macri's Italian Bakery. They've been serving up tradition, pastries, and unforgettable flavors for generations.
You gotta do your other side, starting in the middle, just like that.
Bellissimo. Tell me a little bit about the background of how your family started Macri's Bakery.
There's a lot of history here. Macri's Bakery was established in 1978, so my grandparents moved here from Calabria, Italy, back in the 70s, and it was my grandmother's dream to open a bakery.
What brought your grandparents to South Bend, Indiana?
I know, isn't that funny?
From Italy.
Everybody asks that, like, why South Bend, Indiana specifically? You know, I know that they were wanting to move here to the United States for a better life. At the time, there was a lot of Italians actually all kind of coming to the United States for that reason. After the first day of being open, my grandfather looked at my dad and said, "You mean we have to do this all over again tomorrow?" Because they stayed up all night baking everything fresh, and the first day they sold out of everything. So it was definitely a success. My mom learned to cook from her mom, but also from her mother-in-law, my grandmother Yoli, who is the reason why Macri's Bakery is here.
With a generational place like this comes generational customers.
Yes,
right?
absolutely.
That like seeing some of those same faces coming in.
It is kind of like Little Italy. You walk in the door and you got fresh pasta, fresh pastry, someone can make you a pizza. You can have a good bite of a cannoli or a tiramisu.
We also smell of all that.
Oh, yeah.
Too.
Yeah.
It's like your mouth instantly waters. Like, okay.
Yes.
I get a little bit of everything.
There you go. Exactly. That's the whole idea. Hey, Michael, say hi. Say hello. This whole area is my dad's little baby there. So you can't go wrong. You can buy it fresh and take it home, but you can also have it made hot and ready for you if you would like to order something here on site, but everything is prepared fresh daily.
We've approached the gelato station here.
Yes, many choices as you can see. This is our dry case that you're looking at now. We have a nice variety of all of our Italian tea cookies, biscotti that's made in-house, brownies, donuts, cinnamon rolls. Our pastry case is full of all kinds of great things, anything from our chantilly cake to cannolis, pie slices, cake slices. So you can kind of come in and just have a huge variety to choose from.
It's bellissimo. So
yes,
is that right?
Bellissimo.
Bellissimo.
Then we have our delicatessen, which we call the La Salumeria, is what it's called, where we do sliced meats and cheeses and olives, like a sliced prosciutto. And we even have a section in our corner there that if you're looking for something like a quick, easy appetizer, this section actually is all of our take and make items. So really it's kind of a one-stop shop.
This is a good section. Coffee and wine and cookies.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And then we got this right over here. It's just,
you can't go wrong.
you can spend a lot of time in here.
Our business wouldn't be what it is without our people, and I think that's a huge part of what makes Macri's great. I think it's really important to highlight the people that make it happen, and the family that, you know, we all have our own piece of the puzzle that makes the place run every day. So 100%. I think that's a piece that I find very special and close to my heart that I feel is important to share.
Okay, so we have some really amazing food in front of us right now, and my mouth is totally watering. So what are we trying out here?
Yeah, so I thought for sure you gotta have one of our pizzas, hand tossed and rolled, fresh,
we're going
fresh
for this
dough
first.
made in-house. So this is our pepperoni ricotta pizza. It's marinara base, nice thin crust, pepperoni and dollops of our house whipped ricotta. So you can build your own pizza here, or we have our signature pizzas. This is one of our top sellers.
How do you say delicious in Italian?
Yes, delicioso.
Delicioso. That is amazing.
So this is our rigatoni alla vodka.
Okay.
So you can basically come in and build your own pasta, pick your sauce. I think the simpler ones are the best. So this is rigatoni with our vodka sauce.
Oh my gosh.
Then we have our pappardelle with the marinara sauce. So this is my mom's house-made marinara.
Delicioso.
Yes, good job. See, you're a pro.
I'm learning.
You're a pro now.
All right, so we're gonna fill a cannoli, which I'm super pumped about. I love cannolis.
So sweetened ricotta cheese with chocolate chips. You go all the way into the middle because you don't want to cheat anybody, right? You gotta nice and full. So there's one
so
side.
you do one on, okay.
And then you got to do your other side, starting in the middle. Just like that. That way every bite has a little bit of cannoli cream. Yep, go all the way to the middle. Oh, you gotta go a little heavier.
A little
We're gonna
heavier.
have customers say I didn't get enough cannoli filling. Perfect. That's a good job. It looks good. Naturally, I'll fix it and put a little more cream in there so there's no complainers here. No complainers. This is an important part, and you're just gonna tap like that. You wanna try?
Okay, sure. Yeah.
Okay. Nice job. So there they are. These do not get any fresher than this. We go through so many cannoli. If you don't see them in the case, always ask, because they're just, they sell pretty quickly.
So I'm going to dig into this cannoli that I just filled all by myself, kind of. I had help. And it's time for you to go. Arrivederci.